Well, school is back in session for children across central Indiana, and as children return to the classroom, Riley Children's Health says pediatricians are seeing an uptick in illnesses. WRTV's Rachael Wilkerson looked into this for us today. She's live in studio tonight, and you found out what's going around the classroom. A lot of kids are sick right now.
Yeah, the main illness that pediatricians are seeing right now is the cold. Riley Children's Health says it's not uncommon around this time of year since the kids are in close contact, but there are precautions parents can take now to prevent the spread.
We're kind of getting to that point in the year where even the really well kids aren't maybe necessarily well anymore.
Dr. Shannon Dillon and her team at Riley Children's Health are seeing an influx of patients with stuffy or runny noses, coughing, sneezing, sore throat, and more, symptoms of a cold.
If your child is coughing or has a runny nose, that really it's best to keep them home. And as a working mom, I know that's not always convenient, but just remember that if you send your kid back while they're contagious, that's how things get spread around.
She says hand, foot, and mouth disease is being diagnosed in younger children.
Younger kids who are in daycare and not so much in elementary school age kids. There's also been a little bit of a stomach bug going around. A lot of kids are calling in with diarrhea recently.
When it comes to COVID in the classroom,
we are seeing some COVID. It hasn't spiked quickly while the children have gone back to school, at least at this point, but that's something that we're monitoring for.
Doctors are also monitoring for the flu and encouraging vaccinations.
It's early for when we typically see flu season. I did hear just this morning that somebody in the office did test positive for both COVID and flu earlier today. So it's out there. If you're here and the vaccine is available, it's not too early to do it because we really can't predict when it's going to hit. And so we'd rather get people vaccinated on the early side of things as opposed to assuming that it's not going to show up until November, December. And then if it hits early, we've kind of already missed the boat on that.
She says last year, clinics were overwhelmed with patients that led to a shortage in medications, something they're hoping to prevent this year.
She says the good news is the number of sick children is down from this time last year.
And Rachel, you learned doctors say a lot of times parents might assume their child isn't contagious, say if they just have a runny nose or something minor like that.
Yeah, doctors say the misconception is parents think that their child just has allergies, but they say that allergies don't typically cause a fever or for your child to be overly tired. So if you do notice that your child is napping more than usual, it could be a sign of something contagious.
All right, Rachael Wilkerson live in studio tonight. Rachel, thank you. And Riley Hospital for Children says there is a new round of vaccines that will be available for children come this winter. We do have that information on our website at WRTV.com.